Hi guys, welcome back to FabArt Studio. So in today's video, we are going to see some amazing things that we can make from Canva. It's like a one-stop shop for all your digital needs. Today I'm going to cover some really cool Canva features that you should know. So let's get started. So I'm using this Canva website for editing this video, but you can do the same thing on the Canva app on your mobile. So let me log in into the account first. Here we are on the home page of Canva. So the first one is digital prints. Canva provides you different type of templates that you can edit very easily. You can also create a template from scratch. Like here, I have chosen one poster template and I will be creating one. Canva provides all the elements in vector format. That means even if we stretch the design from a smaller one to the bigger one, it will not pixelate. So here I am trying to make one poster from scratch. So I have chosen one element for rainbow. So this is a vector image of a rainbow. See the vibrant colors. You have a freedom to change these colors, but I really like this combination, so I am going ahead with this. We'll put a nice border to it so that it looks like a poster. And we'll add a simple quote that will go with this design. Canva is so easy to use that you don't have to be a graphic designer to create one. Here my poster is complete. That is very simple and minimal, and you can share this with whoever you want in any format. Like you can you can share it in an editable format, you can share it in a template format, or you can just share it as a simple plain image. Once it is complete, you just have to print it on a good GSM paper and your poster is ready. It might have happened that you have created some digital product but you are not sure how will it look in real. Say for example, you have created a logo, like I am creating one quickly, but you are not sure that how will it look on my business card. So for that purpose we have this mockups. So Canva gives you free mockup trials that you can actually see your digital design in real. Say for example, just now as we created a poster, but I'm not sure that how will it look on a wall. So we have this mockups on the left panel. You have to select the image first. This is the logo that I have just created and I want to see how will it look on a business card. So just click on the image, go to the left panel, click on effects, and here are all the mockups that are available. Smart mockups. So I will choose this and let's see how it looks. So you can use these mockups for your digital marketing and products. And if you are in digital products and you are doing digital branding, these mockups really comes handy, and it's like a one of the best feature of Canva. Here I am putting our design on a t-shirt and see how cool it looks. It's simply awesome. Whenever you are designing anything digitally, you have to take care of the color theme that you are using. Your design might be great, but just because you didn't choose the perfect color combination, it might be not the best version of it. Canva has a feature for this. I have logged into Pinterest and I will be using a color palette from here. You can search for color palette, color theme, and it will give you some good images like this. So I really like this flower, and for now I will just take a screenshot. Otherwise you can get plenty of images on the internet. So I'm just taking a screenshot of this, and let me copy it and upload it to Canva. This is my canvas, and here I have uploaded this image. And now just go select the canvas, and you can see all the color palette Canva tool is offering. See, right now the image is not very clear, that's why it is not picking up all the colors, but if your image is good, it will pick up all the colors and it will gel up with each other so well that your entire design will look very beautiful. So in this pandemic, most of us have started our YouTube channel, isn't it? Canva provides you the free videos that you can use as a intro and the end screens for your video. Here you can see there are so many options that you have. Definitely there are some paid ones, but for now you can go with the free one and edit as you want. Here I am creating one for FabArt Studio, and just I will position it as per my needs. I will change the font. I will just check once how it looks. It has some audio as well, guys, and you can download it in whichever format you want, MP4 and GIF. Next is editable templates. You can make the design and then you just have to put the placeholder, and then you can share the design template with anyone you want. You can make such templates from scratch and also sell it on Etsy. Here is one of the design that I have recently made, and these are like watercolor florals, and I will just give here a placeholder where any person can put anything, any message that they want. This is basically a greeting card template. It has 2 pages, and one can make a A4 or a A5 size greeting card out of it. So here there are 2 options: share as an edit or share a link to use as template. So I will choose the second one. I will copy the link. I will open a incognito window and I will show you how it looks. So anyone who has this link can edit this template and use, just that they should have Canva account. So here you can see the template created by Ruta has shared with you, and it shows it has 2 pages, and you can just use template and make your own edits. And once it is created, you just have to go to share button and click on share as a template, and you will get a link to copy. And you can take a print on a good GSM paper and use it as a greeting card. And if you don't want your elements to be moved, you can just lock them, but the user who will have this link can unlock it and edit it later from their own account. So here are some images from my recent assignment, and you can see how vibrant it looks. It has all been edited using Canva tool only. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'm sure you have taken some information from this video. And in next few days we are going to make a full series of entire Canva tool. So stay tuned and please consider subscribing to our channel. Goodbye.